The GoolRC WLtoys 204019 RC car features a robust design with an aluminum alloy chassis and zinc alloy gears, ensuring durability and longevity in various terrains. Equipped with a powerful motor, this remote control car can reach impressive speeds of up to 60 kilometers per hour, providing an exhilarating racing experience. The 2.4 gigahertz remote control system offers a stable connection with a range of up to 100 meters, allowing multiple cars to race simultaneously without interference. With its hydraulic shock absorbers, the car is adept at handling challenging terrains such as beaches, snow, grass, and rocky roads, maintaining stability and performance. Designed for both high-speed racing and off-road adventures, the car's sturdy build and efficient power conversion make it a versatile choice for enthusiasts. This RC car includes essential accessories like a remote controller, battery, and charging cable, making it ready to run right out of the box.